Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I continue on with the intro, I just want to apologize ahead of time because I did something so dumb. I forgot to turn on my microphone and the audio, it's not bad at all. But if you guys want to see how I came up with this beautiful holiday look right here that I absolutely love, then just keep on watching. Alright, so as you can see, I already have my brows filled in. I cleaned them up and everything today just because I am going to do a nice blue holiday look. I don't know about you, but I get very intimidated with dark shades like blue. Blue, I feel like, is a very hard shade to work with. You guys already know I usually do my eyes first and then my face because that's just how I do. And I mean, right now, that's actually one of the best things I can do is do my eyes before my face. So we are going to jump in with the Morphe artistry palette. This is it here. You guys have seen it many times on my channel. I've used this so many times, and like I said, I'm gonna go in with the blues. So I'm gonna go in with these shades here today, and I'm gonna do like a smoky blue eye look for the holidays. So we're gonna see how I come up with this look, because like I said, I am kind of intimidated by the blues. So with that being said, I am going to go in with some scotch tape. Alright, so now that I applied the tape, I'm going to start off with this shade right here. This is called Turned On, this shade here. And I'm going to grab my, what brush is this? This is the Anastasia of Beverly Hills brush. I'm going to grab the blending brush side, grab that shade, and use that as my transition shade. Alright, so now that I'm done with that shade, I'm going to go in with this shade here. Yes, I'm going to start going in with the darker shades, and this is called Little Black Book. And I'm grabbing I have so many of these brushes, so I'm going to be grabbing a different Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and just using this side of the brush and just grabbing a little bit, not a lot, literally just like going tap tap with the brush, tapping it off. And then right now I'm just going to start defining my crease. I'm going to flip the brush and use the blending brush side and then just blend that out. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so now for the lid, I'm going to go in with this brush right here. This is an Urban Decay brush, but any flat brush would work perfectly fine for this part. I'm going to grab this shade right here. This one is called Fling, and I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. This shade of blue is absolutely stunning. It is the prettiest blue I've actually ever used, to be honest with you. I really do like it. It's the first time that I'm actually using this color. I'm pretty sure. I don't think I've ever, or maybe I have, but not on the whole lid. So let me be specific. I haven't used it on the whole lid like this. So I think I've mixed it around with the purple. That's what I did. But now the shade that I'm going to use is Fling and Room for Two, and maybe a little bit of hit it off. So I'm definitely going to be using Fling and Room for Two. So let me start off with those first. And I'm just going to grab the brush that looks like this. It's like a stippling brush, kind of like a pencil brush, but a little thicker and fatter. And I'm just going to apply this right here on the outer V. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this up here, just so it doesn't look too harsh. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this shade. This one is called Stud. This one is blue. Also looks like a little bit hint of purple, and it has a little bit of shimmer in there. So I'm going to grab that one with the flat brush as well, and I'm just going to place that right over top. And it's going to add like a little bit of a shimmer. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This one's called Shameless, and I'm going to use this shade for the brow bone. Oh my god, you guys, I am so mad right now. I apologize for the audio for when I was doing my eyes. I just realized that my microphone was not on. So I do apologize. Hopefully it doesn't bother you guys. But I mean, I can't redo this look over. I mean I could, but it just looks so good. Alright, well, you know what? I'm going to keep going. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, and this one, I actually just got a brand new one. I ordered this off of Amazon, and the girl reached out to me and had asked me if my eyeliner, the one that I originally got, was dried out or whatever. If you guys remember, I did say that in one of my videos when I first used this for the first time, and I was like, oh my god, I don't understand, like, people said it was so good, but the one I had was super dry and it broke. So like I said, she reached out to me and she sent me a brand new one, and I used it. It is so good, you guys, so good. So I'm going to apply some eyeliner. Alright, you guys, now that I'm done with liner, I'm going to remove the tape and add lashes off camera, and once I'm done, I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and as you can see, I removed the tape and applied some lashes, and today's lashes are the Ardell Faux Mink Multi-Dimensional Lightweight Invisibands, and these are the number 854s. I absolutely love these lashes. They are just so glam and just beautiful for this look right here. I mean, it's bold, and the lashes are just as bold and amazing. So, and they're easy to put on, which I love. So now I'm actually going to move in with primer. And for primer, I'm going to go in with this one. This is from Maybelline Master Prime. This is the Blur and Defend. I'm going to go in with this other primer right here, and this is from Ruby Kisses, and this is the Never Touch Up Goodbye Pores. Alright, for foundation, I'm going to go in with this one from Makeup Revolution, and this is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F10. And to blend it out, I'm going to grab this brush from Morphe. This is the G6, and it's just a flat top kabuki brush. For concealer, I want to go in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey. This is like a nice orangey peachy concealer, and it's going to help conceal my dark circles. And I'm just going to blend this out really quickly. And now to brighten up the under eye, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C8. And I'm also going to blend that out using the same brush. Alright, so now for contouring, I'm going to go in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Chestnut. I have never tried this one, I've never tried this shade Chestnut before, so I'm hoping it's going to be okay. I'm going to start off with just a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to grab my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm just going to start blending this out. I actually really like this one. This is a really nice shade for cream contouring. I'm going to grab a different brush to blend out the nose. Alright, I'm going to go in with my RCMA powder to set my under eye really quickly with my Real Techniques setting brush. To set my cream contour, I'm going to go in with this one from L'Oreal. This is the True Match powder in the shade Cocoa. And I'm just grabbing a brush like this and just grabbing a little bit and applying that on the contour. I'm going to go back in with my setting brush, and I'm just going to blend everything out just so you don't see any harsh lines with the bronzer and the foundation or anything like that. So I just like to go over it and make sure everything looks really, really blended. Alright, so now we're going to jump right back into the eyes, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this black shade here, the little black book shade, and a flat definer brush. This is the Sigma E15. And I'm just going to tight line the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go in with this shade here. This one is called Fling, and I'm just grabbing a pencil brush, and this one's from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to go over top of that black. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with this eyeliner from Sephora. This is the Contour Eye Pencil 12-Hour Wear, and it's waterproof. And now to finish off the eyes, I am going to go in with my L'Oreal Telescopic and apply some mascara. So I do want to go in with a little bit of blush, so I'm going to go in with this one from Milani, and this is in the shade Romantic Rose. Now moving into highlighter, I'm going to go in with this one from Becca Cosmetics, and this is the shade Opal. I'm going to grab my Morphe M510 brush and just apply that. For lip liner, I'm going to go in with the one that I've been using lately. This is the Rimmel London number 45 Cafe Au Lait. I don't even know how to pronounce it, you guys. I'm sorry. I butcher it all the time, I'm sure. But this is the lip liner that I like. And then I'm going to go in with this one from Rimmel London as well. This is the Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Be My Baby. Alright, so last but not least, we are going to set all this beautiful makeup that we applied today, and this is the NYX Dewy Finish Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is such a beautiful glam holiday look right here. It's a beautiful blue smoky eye. I absolutely love how it turned out. I am so intimidated by blues, but I just absolutely love the way it came out. And I'm so happy that I can create so many looks with just that one palette, you know? So, I mean, I can go super simple, super glam. It doesn't matter. The options in this palette are endless, and I love it. I hope it is easy for you guys to recreate. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.